Well, its equation is y equal to 0. So we'll put y equal to 0 and we'll make x tending towards 0. We'll put y equal to 0. If we move along x-axis, then we'll put y equal to 0. This is the line y equal to 0, y equal to 0 line here. We are moving towards the origin 0, 0. So we'll put y equal to 0. After that, we'll make x tending towards 0. Or if you move along y-axis means its line is x equal to 0. Its equation is x equal to 0. So we'll move along the line x equal to 0, move towards the origin. X equal to 0, that means wherever x term is there, we'll put that equal to 0 and we'll make y tending towards 0. Okay. Now, one more line is y equal to x. That is another line passing through origin, y equal to x. So we may put y equal to x, or we may choose y equal to minus x also as the path, or we may choose y equal to 2x as the path, or we may choose y equal to 3x, or we may choose any other curve also, y equal to x square, y equal to 3x square, etc. Anything we can choose, provided that curve or line passes through origin. Now, you can understand if you choose the line as y equal to x, then it's not that we can stop at one or two path. It may happen that along two path the value is same, along the third path the value is different. It may happen, na? That's why I'll suggest you to choose the line as y equal to mx. Choose the line as y equal to mx and put it here, find the expression of the limit. If that limit is free from m, then we can say that if we move along the line y equal to x, the result will be what will be the result? That will be same as if we move along the line y equal to minus x, or we move along the line y equal to 2x. If the value is free from m, and if the value is dependent on m, if the value is if m is there in the final expression for limit, then for different values of m, we'll have different answer, we'll have different values of if. That's why we can say that the path is as the path changes, the limit also changes. That means limit doesn't exist, because limit, if it exists, that should be independent of the path too. So if it happens that along different paths we get different results, then we'll say that the limit doesn't exist. So let us choose the path as y equal to mx. So if we choose the path as y equal to mx, we'll replace y by mx. Then the whole thing will be dependent only on x. After that, we'll make x tending to 0. So x into mx by x square plus m square x square. So it is mx square by x square taken common 1 plus m square. X square cancels out, so it is m by 1 plus m square, which is different for different values of m. That means if we choose the line as y equal to x, the result will be 1 divided by 2. Just a minute. Huh? আমি এখনো খাতা দেখা শুরু করিনি, আমার ক্লাস চলছে। হ্যাঁ সুমিত, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বলো না, বলো তুমি কি কেউ দেয়নি পরীক্ষা সেটা? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আমি দেখে তারপরে তোমাকে তাহলে জানাবো। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা excuse me. So if the value of if you choose the line as y equal to x, then it will be 1 divided by, it will be your 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is half. If you choose the line as y equal to minus x, then it will be minus 1, that is value of m is minus 1, so it is minus 1 by 2. So if you choose the line as y equal to x, the result is half. If you choose the line as y equal to minus x, the result is minus half. If you choose the line as y equal to 0, result will be 0. If you choose the line as y equal to say 3x, result will be 3 divided by 1 plus 3 square and so on. So the value, that is the limiting value is different for different values of m. That means the limit doesn't exist, because along different paths, the result is different. Value of the function is different. That means limit doesn't exist. Now look at the next one. Suppose the function is x into y by x square plus y square. Let the function be x square into y by x square plus y square. Now the function is x square into y, not xy. It is x square into y by x square plus y square. In that case, what will happen? The repeated limit, this will be x square into y, that is x square into mx by x square plus mx square. So 1 x square will get cancelled out, 1 x will be remaining in the numerator. Okay, if the function was x square into y, then x will be remaining in the numerator. Therefore, as x tends to 0, this will be equal to 0. Huh? Is it clear? So in that case, limit is unique. Limit exists. Therefore, limit exists. Have you understood it? Or let us do the next one. Next one, the function is y minus x, 1 plus x by y plus x into 1 plus y. First, let's find out the repeated limit. Limit x tending to 0, limit y tending to 0, f of x, y. Whichever is written later, that will be operated earlier. So first we'll make y tending to a 0. Y tending to a 0, this limit x tending to 0, that will do later. So limit y tending to a 0, y minus x, 1 plus x by y plus x into 1 plus y. So if you put y equal to 0, this will be minus x into 1 plus x by 0 plus x into 1. There's x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x. X cancels out. This is your 1 plus x by 1, that is equal to 1 plus x with a negative sign. So now when x tends to 0, this minus 1 into 1, that is equal to minus 1. Now let us consider the other one. That is, this was limit x tending to 0, limit y tending to 0. Now the other way, that is limit y tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, f of x comma y. So this is limit y tending to 0. First we are doing limit x tending to a 0. So limit x tending to a 0, y minus x into 1 plus x by y plus x into 1 plus y. So this is your x is tending to a 0. So this is y minus 0 into 1 divided by y plus 0 into 1 plus y, where y tends to 0. Now this y and that y will cancel out. It will be 1 by 1 plus y. That is 1 by 1 equal to 1. So repeated limit, both the repeated limit exist, but one of them is minus 1, other one is plus 1. If repeated limit are not equal, then the function cannot have any double limit. Then at that particular point, if at a point repeated limit are not equal, in that case the function won't have double limit or simultaneous limit at that point. So that means double limit doesn't exist. Double limit at 0, 0 doesn't exist, but let us check it out. Y minus x into 1 plus x by y plus x into 1 plus y. Simultaneously, x and y are tending towards 0. So let's put y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. So this will be mx minus x by mx plus x into 1 plus x by 1 plus mx. We are replacing y by mx. Mx minus x into 1 plus x by mx plus x into 1 plus mx. So we can take that x common from this portion. This is m minus 1 into 1 plus x. If you take x common, this is m plus 1 into 1 plus mx. X gets cancelled out. This is m minus 1 by m plus 1. 1 plus x by 1 plus m into x. So if you put x equal to 0, this will be 1 plus x by 1. There's m minus 1 divided by m plus 1 into 1. So this is m minus 1 by m plus 1. Again, this is depending on m. Therefore, for different values of m, the function will have different values. Therefore, limit doesn't exist. Limit doesn't exist. Double limit doesn't exist. Okay. Now, what I was saying, suppose the function is instead of y minus x into 1 plus x by y plus x into 1 plus y, let us take the function as, let us take it as y minus x into 1 plus x into x. Say x or y is there. Suppose in the numerator we are having x or y. Or better do one thing. Let us remove this 1 plus x. Let us remove this 1 plus y. Simply remove this 1 plus y from the denominator. Suppose the function is y minus x into 1 plus x divided by y plus x. The function is No, that won't help. That won't help. Suppose 1x is there extra in the numerator. Y minus x, 1 plus x into x, y plus x into 1 plus y. The function is this one into x. Suppose the function is like this. Now, if I put y equal to mx, it will be mx minus x, y into 1 plus x into x was there. So 1x is there. And in the denominator, we are having mx plus x, that is m plus 1 into x into 1 plus mx. So in the numerator, I am having from the first one mx minus x, we can take x common. And from denominator also, if you take x common, it will be m plus 1. So m minus 1 by m plus 1, x cancels out. 1 plus x is there, and in the denominator, 1 plus mx is there. Along with that, we are having an x extra in the numerator. So as x tends to 0, whatever may be the value of a, this is always equal to 0 because m minus 1 by m plus 1 into x is there. So whatever may be the value of m, since x is tending to a 0 and we are having a x in the numerator, this function will always tend to 0. The function value will always be equal to 0 as x tends to 0. Therefore, the function is having double limit at the point 0, 0. Is this clear? Is this clear? If repeated limits are not equal, then double limit doesn't exist. So that way also you can show. If the question is show that double limit doesn't exist, then that way also you can show. Because repeated limit, obviously repeated limit, to find repeated limit is much more easier than this one. Repeated limit, what we do, we first make x tending to a 0, so that we put x equal to 0, so that the whole thing becomes free from x. It depends only on y. After that, we'll put y tending to a 0. That is one way. Or else what we can do, we can move, just a minute. Just a minute. Excuse me. So, so what you can do, you can just make y tending to a 0. First, you can make y tending to a 0, so that the function becomes totally free from y, and it becomes a function of x only. After that, you can make x tending to a 0. Or similarly, first you can make x tending to a 0, so that the function becomes a function of y only. After that, you can make y tending to a 0. These are called repeated limit. If the repeated limit doesn't exist, if the repeated limit is not equal, doesn't exist now, I'm sorry. If the repeated limits are not equal, then automatically it follows that the double limit can never exist. Because double limit can exist only when the repeated limit exists and are equal. So if they are not equal, then double limit doesn't exist. So ওইভাবেও চাইলে দেখাতে পারো, provided the question is shown that the double limit doesn't exist. If the double limit exists, then you will have to find out that limit. Okay. Okay. Is that clear? Madam, is that clear to some extent?
Madam?
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাডাম বলছি যে যদি আপনি বললেন যে x টেন্ডস টু 0 আর y টেন্ডস টু 0, এটা যদি এই দুটো লিমিট যদি রিপিটেড লিমিট যদি সমান হয়ে যায়, তাহলে y ইজ ইকুয়াল টু mx করার দরকার নেই তো, মানে দুটো লিমিট
না রিপিটেড লিমিট মানে ইকুয়াল হলেই সব সময় ডাবল লিমিট এক্সিস্ট করবে তার কোনো মানে নেই। If the repeated limit are not equal, then double limit can never exist. But it is not that if the repeated limit are equal, then that doesn't mean that always double limit will exist. It may happen that I think in the previous question we have seen it. Just a minute. Just a minute. Look at this one. The repeated limit are existing and they are equal. In the previous problem, xy by x square plus y square. Both the repeated limit exist and both are having equal value, but still the double limit doesn't exist. It may happen. Although the repeated limit are equal, but still the function is not having any double limit, that may happen. But if the double limit exists, then obviously repeated limit exists and they are equal. Is it clear?
ওকে ম্যাডাম।
এটা ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম, ঠিক বুঝতে
Okay.
পেরেছি।
Okay. Show that f equal to x square y by x to the power 4 plus y square when x to the power 4 plus y square not equal to 0 and equal to 0 if x equal to y equal to 0 doesn't exist. Show that limit x tending to 0, y tending to 0, f of x comma y equal to x square y by x to the power 4 plus y square, provided x to the power 4 plus y square is not equal to 0. That means x and y are not equal to 0, comma 0 and equal to 0 if x equal to y equal to 0. Show that this limit doesn't exist. So doesn't exist means we'll have to show at least two paths along which the values are different. First, let us take the path as x-axis. If we take the path as x-axis, there is y equal to 0, then it will be limit x tending to 0, y tending to 0, f of x, y. That is, we are putting y equal to 0 and x tending to 0. So x square into 0 by x to the power 4 plus 0. That is 0 by x to the power 4 as x tends to 0. This is obviously equal to 0. Now let us choose the path as next path. Let us choose the path as y-axis. Just a minute. Let us choose the path as y-axis. Y-axis means x equal to 0. So in that case, limit fxy will be limit y tending to 0, x equal to 0, x square into y. So that will be 0 by 0 plus y square. That is equal to 0 by y square equal to 0. So if you move along x-axis, the result is 0. If you move along y-axis, then also the result is 0. Now, if we move along y equal to mx, আগে দুটো যদি দেখাতে না চাও কোনো problem নেই, you can directly start from this. If you move along the line y equal to mx, that also you can do. It's not that you have to show x equal to 0. You have to move along the line y-axis and x-axis. It's not like that. You can straight away start from this. Let's move along the line y equal to mx. So f of x, y, x tends to 0 along y equal to mx, that will be x square into mx by x to the power 4 plus mx square. So this is your mx cube by x to the power 4 plus mx square. From the denominator, if you take x square common, this is m plus x square, numerator is m into x cube. So x square will cancel out and we'll be having 1x in the numerator and denominator is m plus x square. So now if you put x equal to 0, this will be m into 0 divided by m plus 0 square. So that is equal to 0 by m equal to 0. This is when we are moving along the line y equal to mx. Now suppose we move along the curve y equal to mx square. Let us move along the curve y equal to mx square. So then it will be x to the power 4 plus y square. Numerator is x square into y. We are putting y equal to mx square. So x square into mx square by x to the power 4 plus y square. That is mx square whole square. So this is x to the power 4 plus m square x to the power 4 and numerator is m into x to the power 4. So from denominator we can take x to the power 4 common, it will be 1 plus m square, numerator is m into x to the power 4. So x to the power 4, x to the power 4 will cancel out. It will be m by 1 plus m square, which is obviously different for different values of m. M by 1 plus m square, that is obviously different for different values of m, hence double limit doesn't exist. Okay. So if we move along the straight line y equal to mx, then the double limit is 0. But if we move along the curve y equal to mx square, then the double limit doesn't exist. এবারে হচ্ছে কিভাবে বুঝবে কোন রাস্তা নিতে হবে, which path you will choose, how to understand that. We have to choose the curve in such a way that the power of x in each and every term of denominator become equal. Generally এরকম থাকে না, generally the question will be such that the question will be like this, the derivative will be x plus y or x square plus y square or x cube plus y cube, etc. Both the powers will be same. Sometimes it may happen that the powers are different. If powers in the denominator are different, in that case, you have to choose the curve in such a way that the powers of x and y in the denominator become, the powers of not x and y, every term in the denominator becomes equal. For example, this is your x square y x to the power 4 plus y square. What we are doing, we are the denominator, in the denominator we see that power of x is 4, power of y is 2. Power of x is 4, power of y is 2. to match the powers, what we'll do, we'll choose the curve as x to the power 4 equal to m into y square. Okay, x to the power 4 equal to m into y square, or m square into y square. That is x equal to that is x square equal to m into y. We'll choose the curve as x square equal to m into y, or y equal to mx square. Both will do. এই just দুটো পাওয়ার কে আমি সেম করার জন্য, because দেখো x is tending to a 0, so until and unless we make the denominator free from 0, we cannot put it. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll choose the curve as x to the power 4 equal to m square y square. That is x square equal to m into y, or x square equal to m into y, or y equal to m into x square. After that, if you put here limit x, either will convert everything into x or convert everything into y. So this is your limit x tending to 0, x square into mx square by x to the power 4 plus mx square whole square. So that is equal to m into x to the power 4 by x to the power 4 plus m square x to the power. Take x to the power 4 common, it will be m by 1 plus m square, which obviously doesn't exist for different values, because this is different for different values of m. That means it doesn't exist. Double limit doesn't exist. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just look at the denominator. If both all the terms are having the same power, having the same degree, then simply put y equal to mx. If the terms are different, terms of powers are different, in that case, choose the curve in such a way that the powers become equal. So if that is if the denominator is x square plus y to the power 4, choose the curve as mx equal to y square. If the denominator is x square plus y cube, then choose the curve as y cube equal to m into x square, and so on. Okay. Okay, continuity we'll be doing in the next class. We'll join after 3 minutes. Tarang, let me take your attendance. Just 1 minute. Roll number 1. Roll number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
2. Okay. 2.
Present, ma'am.
3.
Present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 4.
Present, miss.
5.
Present, ma'am.
5. 6.
Yes, ma'am.
7.
Present, ma'am.
8. Roll 8.
Present, ma'am.
9. Roll number 9. 10.
Present, ma'am.
11. 11.
Present, ma'am.
12. 13. Show home. Okay, 13 is present. 14. Roll 14. 14. Roll 14. 15.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 16.
Present, ma'am.
17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Yes, ma'am.
19. 19. 20. 21. 19. 20. 20. 21.
Ma'am, 19 present আছে.
19, okay. 21, 22, 23.
Present,
24.
ma'am.
Okay, 24,
Present, ma'am.
25, 25, 26.
Present, ma'am.
25.
Okay, 27, 27,
Present, ma'am.
28. Amisha, okay. 29. Amisha, I've seen you. 29.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 30. Roll 30.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
31. Yeah, 31.
Present, ma'am.
32. 32. 33.
Present, ma'am.
34. 35.
Present, ma'am.
36.
Present, ma'am.
37. Okay, 38. They are not there. 39. 39.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 40. 40. 41.
Present, ma'am.
42, 42, 43,
Yes, ma'am.
44,
Yes, ma'am.
44, 45, 46,
Yes, ma'am.
47. Are you able
Present,
to?
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
48. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
48, 49, 49, 50, 51.
Present, ma'am. 51.
Okay, 52,
Present,
52,
ma'am. Present,
53,
ma'am.
53, 53.
Present,
Any
ma'am.
others? 54.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 54, 54, 55,
Present, ma'am.
56, 57, 58,
Present, ma'am.
59,
Present,
59,
ma'am.
60,
Present, ma'am.
60,
Present,
61.
ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Present, ma'am.
61,
Present, ma'am.
62, 62.
এতটা করেছে। ম্যাডাম হেভি বুঝিয়েছে আজকে। বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করতে করতে মাথা থেকে যাবে।